Shopify plan is best for beginners. If you're a beginner and want to join a Shopify, which plan should you go with? As you all know, selling stuff online is now easier thanks to tools like Shopify, which basically help you build your online store. But Shopify offers different plans, and sometimes it becomes intimidating for a beginner who has never used a Shopify before and who is new to this dropshipping game. So which one is the best plan for a beginner? Let's break it down in this video. If you have your own opinion, leave it in the comments section below. So the best plan for a beginner on Shopify, my opinion, is the Shopify starter plan. Basically, it costs about $5 a month. Unfortunately, it's not on your screen at the moment. It hasn't been offered to me yet. So it costs basically $5 a month, and it's ideal for people who want to sell stuff on Instagram, on TikTok, and on Facebook or on WhatsApp. So you basically get a link to share. No full website is needed. So it's super simple to set up, no tech skills are needed, and it works great on phones. So it basically just lets people buy with just a few clicks. It's not good if you want your clients, customers, to actually have a full website experience with fancy features. So that's basic plan, $5 a month for beginners. But if you want things with more functionality, you can go with the basic Shopify plan, which basically costs about $25 to $39 a month, where you actually get a full online store, and it includes tools like discount codes, abandoned cart recovery. Lets two people manage the store. Basically, you get 2 user accounts. It's good for selling lots of products. You get better reports and shipping discounts, and most beginners upgrade to this plan after testing the starter plan. So if you're a beginner and you just want to test out some ideas, go with the starter plan. If you now want to grow fast and things are moving, then you can shift over to the basic plan. And as things continue to grow, then you can go to the grow plan, as well as depending on your need, you can go up to the advanced plan, but that will be up to you. But for beginners, start with the starter plan, then move on to the basic one, and you should be good to go.